What's up, everybody? So a couple weeks ago I decided to do a wash and go for the first time in a very long time. I think the last time that I did a wash and go was in 2019, sometime in 2019, I'm not exactly sure. All of 2020 I spent the year practicing and just enjoying being able to blow out my hair. But I want to be able to also wear my hair in its curly state sometimes, just to basically to give my hair a break. So I did a test trial. Yeah, just let me know what you guys think about it. Let's take it back 2 weeks ago when I was in the shower. Roll the clips. Anyways, I'm gonna be using Giovanni. You get it. Oh, it's so thick. Man, it's thick. I don't know why my hair feels so thick today. It ain't even normally this thick. So my hair is already tangled. It wasn't that hard of a process. So for the conditioner, I'm going to be using, or my leave-in, I'm going to be using the Melanin hair care line still. I'm almost out of this, but don't worry, I got a backup to go, already ready to go. So I'm gonna use that first, and then for my gel, I'm going to be using the Wetline Xtreme. This is the one with the blue top. I don't even know if they sell the green one anymore. Ooh, I forgot how good it smells. So at this point, I'm taking that leave-in conditioner and I'm first smoothing it throughout my hair, making sure that it's fully penetrating into my hair strands. Dunking it underneath the water just to kind of help with a little bit of slippage. And then I'm detangling, but also trying to enhance my natural curls and really define my curls with that conditioner. After that, I take my gel and I smooth it throughout the hair, but I do not detangle anymore after I've already initially detangled. So just completely smooth it throughout your hair, just to help lock in and really reinforce that curl that you just created. I don't like this. Last section, yes. Oh, look. Okay. So I'm out of the shower and everything. I don't know. Honestly, it's promising, you know. I feel like it's gonna look really, really good once it dries. I'm not going to diffuse it or anything yet. Actually, I have a video call that I'm gonna do with our friends here soon. So I'm just gonna let it air dry for as long as I can, and then whenever I get tired of letting air dry, then I'll just go in with the diffuser. All the work that I put in to get it like this, I don't know if it's really worth it, honestly. I hate wet hair. I can't stand wet hair. I don't know. Now that I've done a wash and go again, I don't know if it's worth it for me. I think I might have to find another hairstyle, but I won't make that decision until tomorrow. All right. Yes. Okay. So it's the next day. This is what it's looking like. It's decent. It's not the best. I like this side. This side is very, very nice to me. It cascades beautifully, especially when I play with my bangs and kind of pull them around, so it looks like I have like more of a more of a layered and stacked effect with my curls. And then this side, I'm pretty sure I just slept hella crazy on this side, cause the ends, like the hair goes straight and then the ends go outward. So like all of this right here is infuriating. It's infuriating me. But anyways, it's just first day hair. I never like first day hair anyways. Normally around like day 2 and 3 is when it looks the best. It's not too bad. It's got a lot of texture, of course. I mean, yeah. Also, I didn't use any oil. Normally I would do conditioner, oil, and then my gel, but I was honestly half expecting this to turn out really, really bad, and then I was just gonna wash my hair tomorrow and then blow it out and everything. But since it turned out decently, I'm like, now I don't want to do anything to it, because it's not bad, and it took me a pretty decent amount of time. So I'm like, we're just gonna rock this. We're definitely gonna rock it. Another thing that I would do differently is when it comes to applying my gel, normally I start at the ends so that I can really like get that shape to hold as quick as possible, and then I'll go in and do the shaft of my hair. But I found out that if I do my shaft first and kind of lean my head over, it helps to separate the hairs on its own and then just go down to the ends. And I don't know, for some reason I don't know why I've never tried that before, but it actually worked a lot better. But I didn't try that until I was halfway done with my hair. I just spat everywhere. So there are some sections that are, where's the worst? I did the left first, yeah. So like these sections right here, which I don't even know if you can see, I may have just been tripping, but they're a lot frizzier, and I could tell they're gonna get really frizzy because I can feel the frizz. It's gonna get a lot frizzy, or it's gonna get really frizzy, and it's gonna get frizzy kind of quick. And that's only because I didn't use as much gel as I normally do. And because I was starting at the wrong spot of my hair. Other than that, it's not bad, it's decent. There's movement. I don't know. I'm undecided. Okay, so that's everything. Let me know what you guys think. I think it was decent. It did take a lot of work to do a wash and go, I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully you guys liked it. Leave me a comment, rate, subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see next. And that's it, because I'm out of space on my memory card, so bye!